Hi, I'm very happy and proud to share my wonderful journey with Evision Technoserve Private Limited, where I received excellent support, training, and placement guidance that helped me start my professional career in IT industry. Within a short time, I got selected by IIFL Capital, Malvi Nagar, New Delhi, with a good package of 2.16 LPA. My name is Parvez Akhtar. I'm basically from Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Galgotias University, Greater Noida in 2023. Before joining Vision Technoserve, I was like many faces, confused, worried, and unsure about my future. I had theoretical knowledge, but the lack of practical exposure and the right profession needed for the industry, I knew I needed real guidance, not just more theory. And that's when I came across Evision Technoserve. From the very beginning, Evision stood out. The trainers clearly explained the process, the training modules, and the career path they could help me achieve. Their honesty gave me the confidence to trust them, and today I can proudly say it was the best decision of my career. The training at Evision is 100% industry oriented. They cover important technical topics like networking, Windows Server, Linux, cloud basics, and security fundamentals in a very simple and practical manners. They also focus heavily on resume building, aptitude skills, communication skills, and mock interviews to make you completely job ready. One thing I'll always appreciate is the personal attention and motivation given to every students. The trainer are not only highly experienced but also very supportive. Whenever I had a doubt, they were always ready to explain patiently and help me understand concept better. The mock interview boosted my confidence and helped me to overcome my fear of the real interview. After the training phase, the placement team worked tirelessly to arrange the interviews with reputed companies. Their continuous follow-up, interview updates, and valuable feedback made a huge difference. My honest suggestion to the fresher: if you are really serious about your career and want to save your valuable time, energy, and money, then the Evision Technoserve is the right place for you. Instead of wasting time in random job searches and fake promises, invest your time in real skill-based training where results are guaranteed. And their system is transparent and professional and fully focused on the building your career. No false commitments, only genuine efforts are excellent outcomes. A big thank you to the entire team of Evision Technoserve for making my career dream a reality. And your guidance, mentorship, and faith in us have changed many lives, including mine. I'll always recommend Evision to every fresher who wants to start their career in IT with the right knowledge, skills, and confidence. Thank you again and again.